This is my older brother. We've got a brand new playground. There are things to climb on, things to slide down on, and there's an awesome sand pit and a trampoline that you can bounce really high on. I love the trampoline, it's so fun. I can do spins, flips, and all kinds of stuff. There are these cool vibes. And also one of the best things here yet is the roundabout. Wheelchairs and other kids can play on it. The flags make it look so fun too. It's like there's a festival going on. There's also some musical instruments you can play. The instruments make some cool sounds. This playground is great.